welcome back to my channel. If you are a new one, I'm so happy you found me. Subscribe and like. But if you return, then I don't know why, but thank you as well. Let's sell some clothing, get some coin. I have been for years on one app which is only located in Spain. I think it's also France or something, but it's not like international. Now recently I understood that I haven't really sold a lot, and my maximum price I think I have put is like 7 euros or something, so I don't put like extreme high price. Sometimes I get clothing, like I don't get really free clothing, sometimes I get like cheap clothing that I buy or something and it doesn't really fit me, and I thought I want really good place where to sell them and for people I trust and for people that will trust me. And I thought let's make a video and see how it works and how you can sell, and maybe you are interested in some clothing you have seen on my videos or photos, and that way you know what's up, where you can find it. I found that many YouTubers sell it on Depop. I want to really research a little bit more about Depop. I understood that it is international. We could try to do it on Depop and see how it goes, what we need and what they ask for. We are definitely going to go on laptop. I can screenshot everything I do, how I register, how it goes, the whole process, what you can find there. All I know is that I found out that it is for free, which was the most important part for me. But it takes some percentage of whenever you sell clothing. I think it was 10% or something, so that's like, that makes sense, it's normal. Let's go to the laptop, let's register together and let's see how it goes. We are in my living room where I usually do everything. We are going to go to the Depop page. There's one confusing thing. When I tried to do it before, I had an idea that I could film the experience. Like there was one thing that I didn't like. Let's try. Okay, I already have my profile. I want to sell. You need to connect your PayPal. As you can see here, connect your PayPal, and there was something I did not like. See, here is what I don't like. It says agree and pay. Pay what? I know that in their like rules and everything, as I said, they take 10% when you sell something, and I even try to find somewhere someone will say you need to like pay some monthly payment or something, but there's nothing. There's like everyone saying it's for free. But I don't like how they have put it, like agree and pay. Pay what? Pay where? I think I'll look at it one more time. Someone's saying I got scammed $700 on Depop PayPal. I will see everything you need to know about Depop and fees. I will check that one out. I don't like, there are too many scamming videos on YouTube about Depop. I don't like it. Okay, I decided to do it. The scamming I watched at least was not like Depop's fault or anything. It was just some scammy people. You need to be careful, that's what I understood. And now let's see what they will do. We are finally set. They approved my PayPal, so now I'm just going to write the description. I'm so stupid. I thought it's description about profile, but it's already about listing. That means I need to now go and make some photos. I think I'm going to just try it out, make a few photos mostly for summer clothing that's really right now relatable, and then leave the other one for other days and see how it goes, because I have no time and we are just way too long time on this one. So let's go make some nice photos, but simple ones. I don't want to be it like on Instagram. It just has to be something that shows the product to people. Now we are at one of my closets. I have two. Here I usually keep like really random house or home clothing, but this is the one that I actually use the least, and I thought we could get some kind of pieces out of here. Let's start from here. Okay, now these are okay. Maybe this one, crop tops doesn't wear anymore, and I could sell them like 3 together. I want to sell this one. It doesn't really look so flattering on me, you know. From Renacimiento. Sell these blouse as well. Too old to sell. The thing is that even if I haven't worn the clothing so much, many times it still has some, like something that you like are too ashamed to sell it to someone, you know. Like maybe it has like some, as this white top, it has like a little yellowy, maybe from, I don't know, sweating or anything like that, and I'm sure I have washed it. This totally I haven't worn a lot. This one's really cute. I worn it once on my birthday. Again, I don't know. These I could sell. These are way too big for me. These I can sell for sure. Way too many things that I was planning. So let's start. As I said, I have no time, but oh my god, I need to rush. I will just put one product on my Depop to just see how it goes and to show you how it goes. It looks a little bit weird, but okay. It looks a little bit gloomy, I would say, these photos, but okay, I need to post something. Summer wrap dress from Shane, worn once. Dress with ruffles under the knee high. What else I can add? With flower print in purple pink tone. It allows you to add 5 hashtags, so I'll say ruffle dress, flower dress, summer dress, category bottoms and accessory shops, casual rompers, summer dresses. This is definitely a summer dress. A brand, Shane. Size, I would say it is 12. It would also go for, I'll say purple, pink. Oh, you can add more. Style, oh my god, vintage for loved, reworked, custom, handmade. Age, oh my god, it's so like, oh, it is modern. It's about if it was, when it was made, skater, cute, chic, gray, pastel, right, custom, cosplay, grunge, party, funky. One added, as I said, I have no time, so now that will be all for me, but I'm going to add all that I took photos from later on. Also, I will add to my Spanish page on in Spain. If you're in Spain, I suggest Vinted. In Vinted, they don't even take any commission from you. It's even amazing. The shipping, they help you like with shipping. They suggest you prices and so on. Like, it's really helpful. So for Spain, I totally suggest that one. Let me know if you like the video. Comment down below what you think. If you're on Depop, what you have here. If there are other pages I should know about. If you're selling clothes and if you're interested to buy my clothes and so on. So like, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, support smaller creators, and see you guys next time. Bye!